Okay, second attempt at trying to fly a 5 foot by 3 foot flag with no wind whatsoever. Let's see what happens. For some reason it just wants to land. So we're getting this on video. Just about. Let's try and zoom it. What's that now? Zoom it out. There we go. Not the best, but we're giving it a go. It's flying, but if I take it off a little now, it's not giving me the warning sign, but the flag seems very whoa, what's happening? It was saying that it was trying to land on its own. Well, it's doing it again. So there you go. It's actually creating quite a lot of downdraft on the plane. There you go again. So it looks like that's about as best as I'm gonna get for a flight with a 5 foot by 3 foot flag. It's not the it's not anything else but the whoa, there it goes again. Lost it again. Let's see whether we can get it high again. Now it won't spin the flag around. Yep, maybe. Doesn't like it though, does it? I can't take it off. Not to worry. I shall zoom out. So let's see what happens if I take it up a little bit higher now. Nope. Oh, doesn't like it. Thought we might have got one shot. There you go, coming down again. Can't get the flag. That's the top motor speed. It's giving me a maximum warning and it's down again. Okay, that's the end of the recording. So it looks like we don't have the flag in the air, and again let's